What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another Fridge Financials video. In today's video, we're going to be working more with the TraderDaddy software. Couple new things that I want to show you guys if you are brand new to the software or just trying to start to understand all the different things that are here to offer. So if you're excited for today's video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. Now, usually these tutorials are done with Ryan, as you guys usually know, but since Ryan's away this week, I'm going to be on my honeymoon next week. So I was like, you know what, let me just throw one video out here because I feel like there's some really cool things they dropped on the TraderDaddy software. And if you do want access to this software, use the link down below in the description. And if you use discount code FRIDGE at checkout, you get 50% off for the first month. Usually it'll be $50. You get the first month for $25 only. And if you hate it and you don't make money, then you can just cancel it afterwards. I completely understand. Do not worry. I am an affiliate with it, so I get it if you want to cancel afterwards, but hopefully you don't, and hopefully you're able to use the software to your advantage and to make some very good money. But we're going to do a trade live on this video here as well. I'm going to walk through a couple things that I think TraderDaddy has really gotten a really good idea behind, which I think is great. So first things first, here is my screener, and I have my filters already set up to flag things that I think are worthwhile mentioning and looking at. And you will see that we had some stocks come in. We had STX come in, Enphase came in, AppLovin, and these ones are all out of the money. This STX one, this one I feel like is more of a hard trade because of how expensive the stock is. So wasn't really feeling STX as much. They do have earnings coming up relatively soon. Didn't want to play earnings as much for that one. Enphase is like right at the money. So is AppLovin. And then this one comes in, EWY. And I was like, okay, what is that? It is the South Korean index, I believe. We can look at, we can go over here actually and see. It is the South Korean iShares MSCI South Korea Fund. EWA tracks a market cap weighted index of large and mid cap Korean firms. That's what it does. Thank you, Robinhood, for showing that. And so it pops up here. I'm like, okay, interesting. And not only does it pop up here, this is what catches my eye. The premium is almost $10 million that opened up on this one. $50,000 for volume, and out of the money by about 11% at the 145 strike. And these are put options that we see. And I was like, okay, interesting. Let me do a little bit more research on this one here. Now, if you're sitting there saying, what do I do with that kind of information here? Here's the first really cool feature that I feel like a lot of people do not take advantage of, which I think can also help with what you're looking at in terms of trading. So if you take a look here, okay, I went to a different page for this reason. You don't have to. You can do it on this. You can do this on this page here if you want to, but I like to keep these separate so I can go back and forth in case anything else pops up. They have an AI agent called Aria, and let me tell you, this AI agent right here simplifies everything to the best of its ability to hopefully help out if you're brand new to this software about what can I do to help out here. So I want to take a bearish trade on EWI. This is what I wrote to it. I wrote to this as the agent. Again, this is if you're brand new to it and we're brand new to the software, brand new to trading, whatever the case is. I want to take a bearish trade on EWI since a lot of put option premium came in for the next week at the 145 strike. And that is true. A lot of premium came in at the 145 strike for next week. Okay, we see that. What are some good ideas to take advantage of this unusual options data? Okay, what does this AI agent then do? Pulls in all the information from the options data. Every single thing is pulled in here. That's a massive print. Let me grab the expiration date. You said next week. That's July 24, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here's the print. And it breaks it down for you. This is unbelievable, by the way. Again, this is like what really helps to, as you're brand new, it can help you to understand what the numbers mean and what to look for, right? So 50,000 contracts at the 145, 9.9 million premium, score 95 block trade, bought at the ask, puts opening. That's institutional conviction, not noise. Okay? And with only 218 open interest before this, that's 233 times the existing open interest that is fresh positioning and not rolling. Okay? EWI is already getting destroyed. It gives you some numbers about the price, the RSI, the MACD, the EMA, the Bollinger Band, all that kind of stuff. how much it moves. The put wall on the July 24th chain is at 135, and the expected move for next week is between 150 to 178. The 145 strike from that block is below the expected move lower bound. They're betting on a breakdown through support. Okay. Good information. Trade ideas. And I'll show you this on the they have another tab of what does this, but I think this is really, really cool here. Trade ideas. Since the big money bought 145 puts, the cleanest way to play this without overpaying for premium, go long on the 150 put, go short on the 145 put. Net debit is 153, max profit is 347, and it breaks down your profit loss ratio, your probability of profit. All that stuff is broken down here, and it explains why. How awesome is that? If you want to go aggressive, you could just buy the 150 put straight out. If you would like to do that, you definitely can. Or you can go on the defensive. Bear call credit spread August 21st, which is a monthly trade here. If you want more time and don't want to fight the downward trend direction, 150 credit, you do a sell a 194 call. Basically, you're doing a call credit spread right here to get paid out some premium, and then you have a max loss of 450. So instead of having it as a risk 1 to make 3, you're basically risking 3 to make 1. Okay, this is a low beta bearish play that just collects premium while the stock drifts lower. Confluence grade A, unusual flow, technicals, IV regime, and the put wall here as well. And the data is not exactly accurate here because it's a little bit behind, but that's totally cool. Let me see if again, this is me doing it live on with you guys. What is the probability of profit of the call? What is it? How did they reference it? Call credit spread or? Call credit spread. Okay. Call credit spread you mentioned earlier. Because that kind of helps us out with knowing the probability of profit, right? Knowing how, put yourself in the casino side of things. What's the probability of profit? And then it's going to take a couple minutes to do a little bit of loading here, hopefully. Here he goes. Look at that. Analyzing everything. This is very, very cool stuff right here. So I've got the live to August 21 chain now, which is good. The spread I mentioned was breaks it down. Let me check what the actual trading at those. Oh my God. It just populates everything. This is absolutely just insane. So let's take a look here, do a little bit more. Again, this is good for new trading, right? I'm not sitting there saying you have to follow this every single time, but as you get more familiar with it, this is very, very good for trading here, right? The August chain doesn't have a non-94 strike in the near at the money. Okay, whatever. Net credit 130. Okay. Max loss 470. Profit loss ratio 1 to 3.6. Okay. Probably profit 79%. That's the estimate here, which is actually pretty good. Risk check macro event. There's a Fed meeting on July 29th. That's inside your 35-day window. IV will expand into it and crush afterwards. Your short volume into a known catalyst. Consider closing before July 29th or sizing smaller to account for volatility spike. How interesting is this? This is something that's very, very cool. Again, this is not sitting there saying just follow this thing for advice. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Myself is not. I'm also not doing financial advice here. But if you're brand new to the software, this thing does a little bit of a breakdown to hopefully help you understand more and more and more as we go throughout. That is what I think is very, very powerful about this. Now, on top of that, what you can do is you can go to research. You can go to the ticker lab. This is a new thing that you'll see as well. And what you will notice is that it has all this different options data here. And it also does, in fact, have strategy rankers here. So if you want to go bearish, if you want to go bullish, if you want to go neutral, and it gives you some different ideas to consider. Again, not guaranteed success here. Here's that bear call spread that they were talking about earlier, the 79% probability of profit here. 130, max profit, max loss, 470. It's all here for you, which I think is very, very cool. And iron condor is another one you can look at, for example, a bull put spread. All these different things. There's so much data you can take a look at here. Now, I have been sitting there saying, okay, I'll show you guys what I see here. So this is EWY. It's actually moving up a little bit into the close, which is hopefully going to be good. It went as high as 168. So taking a look at the August 21st date right here, Option sentiment is bullish, it says, according to the option data here. Here's your expected move from 133 to 194, which means if you go to the 194 to 200 strike price, you're looking pretty okay. You're looking at about that value. I would probably be looking at closing it probably earlier. I'm not going to be looking to hold it till max profits here. But if you go to the aggregate side of things here, you'll see that your your apex level, the highest apex level is at 165, which it's getting pretty close to right now. Next one is at 170, and then the next highest one after that is at the 155. Nothing as high as the 195 plus I'm looking at right here. If we go to August 21st, same thing. Apex level highest one is at 160. Next highest one, it looks like, is at 150, and then it goes all the way up to about 220. And these do adjust as you go. You'll see we had a big adjustment. Previous apex was 190, now it's down to 160. So that is something that's really interesting to think about, as you'll see this still on this downward trend for our data that we're looking at right here, leaning bearish. All this data here is provided to you. Again, this is $25 a month. Discount code FRIDGE for the first month. Sorry, the first month is $25 for the month, and then you get $50 after that. But again, take that $25, you can print, hopefully you can make some good money on it. But what we're going to be able to do here now is see if we can get into this position here. So here's my options data here. We're going to go to August 14th. I'm also not doing July of next week, the 24th, because I'll be out in Europe and I don't know what my connection looks like. I don't know what my internet thing's going to be like, the situation is going to be. So I'd rather not risk that. I'd just go farther out and kind of just wait to see what happens. But I'm going to go to sell, call option, make a call credit spread here. We go to the 194, which is right here. Again, delta is about 29, which is where you get that 79% probability of profit, which again this is about a 70 probability of profit off the delta, but not guaranteeing it, obviously. I'm going to buy the 200 right here as well. I'm looking at the 130 price is there. So we're going to be making a max profit of 130. Max loss is 470. Break even is 195, which would be right outside that break even part. Again, whoever had all this money here is betting for a break to the downside. Hoping that we would break down past that 150 support down to the 145. That's what we're kind of hoping for. And again, if we get that kind of downward move, I'll probably close this out pretty quick, pretty early on, because I have 30 days till expiration here. So we'll hit continue. Let's see if we can get this filled here. I'll be curious to see if we can. Let's try to get filled at the 130 mark, not 13. Jesus Lord, that'd be insane. Let's see if we can get filled at 130. Collateral will be $600, as we know, because of the difference in the strike prices that we'll see there. Let us submit and see if we can get filled here. And we'll wait and see. We might have to adjust a little bit lower because you're looking at. We'll have to wait and see on this one. This is the one that kind of sucks. I have to kind of wait and see if it'll get filled or not. We may have to. Let me see if anything else pops up in the meantime. Nope, nothing has popped up yet. It automatically refreshes. We have a nothing yet popping up on this data chart here. Again, these ones right here I'm not feeling as much just because they're really close to the money, and this one's just like super expensive. Let's see if we can replace the order here. Oh, now it's 115. I wonder if, let me see if maybe instead of doing the 194, what's the 195 print? So 80. Call card spread there. That's interesting. Why is it telling me this? Oh, because I have 11 contracts. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, that's not. Yeah, let me go back to that one. This is the hard part we're going to be facing, is getting filled, obviously. So let's do the 194 again. Let's do the 200 here. Might have to get filled at the 115. So we take a little bit of a hit on this one. See, this is high likely. What? Come on now. What are we doing here? Should I go for 120? And some, let's see. There we go. We got filled at 121. Look at that. So that is it. Again, we're going to see what happens with this trade here. Again, 121 we've had there as a call credit spread here. And again, very cool stuff here. They have their AI agent as well. They have their own research lab over there as well. Take a look at it. Again, discount code FRIDGE at checkout. Links in the description below if you want 50% off the first month. Let's see what happens to this trade here. We're going to keep track of it, keep our tabs on it, and go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did make this far in the video, I know we had a little bit of wait time in between here. But if it is fun in the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications as per usual. Hopefully make money in the market in some way, shape, or form. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.